Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to compress images for email attachments using TinyPNG in 2026. So if your images are too large to send by email, this guide will help you reduce the file size quickly and easily. First, understand that most email services have attachment limits. Large images often exceed those limits and fail to send. Next, open the TinyPNG website in your browser. So, this tool helps reduce image size without losing much quality. Now drag and drop your images into TinyPNG. It will instantly start compressing them for you. So once compression is done, download the optimized images to your PC. These smaller files are perfect for email attachments. Next, attach the compressed images to your email and send them again. This time the file should be within the allowed limit. Finally, if you have multiple images, place them in a zip folder before sending, so this makes email sharing even easier. And that's how to compress images for email attachments using TinyPNG in 2026. Once you reduce file size properly, sending images through email becomes fast and easy. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more productivity tutorials.